As the 2025 has come to an end, let's have a real and honest conversation. So, when I was about to edit this video, I didn't plan to do a voiceover, but my heart said so. There's this moment before I started editing, and in that pause, I thought about how much has changed since I started this journey. When I first picked up the camera, I wasn't expecting thousands of views, but I did expect the people I love to support me. You know, the kind of friends who hype you when you try something new. But the funny part is, the moment you decide to do something different, something creative, something you genuinely love, that's when you realize who was clapping for you and who was getting jealous and just watching you and getting insecure. I never ask anyone to share my videos or hype me up. If you love my work, you will support me without me trying to convince you. There were days I doubted myself, days when I thought maybe I should quit. I should do something else for my career. But then random comments suddenly made all my doubts disappear. To be honest, I feel more connected to this little family we are building because here no one pretends, no one acts out of jealousy, no one competes. It's just passion, creativity, love, and growth. Life becomes lighter when you stop expecting from the wrong people. I realized genuine people don't always come from your past. Sometimes they come from your present, your passion, from the internet, from the little family you built through your art. Support doesn't make you valuable. Lack of support doesn't make you unworthy. Your worth exists within yourself, even when you are unrecognized. A huge shout out to those friends who always hype me up. If you're watching this, just know you are a part of the reason I'm still doing what I love. Your presence means more than what you think. Your comments, your likes, they are not just numbers, they are reminders that someone out there still believes in me. So, to everyone who stayed, to everyone who joined, and to everyone who chooses to be real in the world full of filters and fakeness, thank you so much. This journey is ours, and I promise I'll keep creating, I'll keep improving, and I'll keep showing up. Not for the claps, not for the numbers, but for my love for art and for the people who see the real me behind the camera. Here we go.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah.